Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you and I are going to set up the entire Tia's play area the Montessori way. There's going to be a reading nook, a relaxing area, dress up, etc. Everything at her height and her level. Let's get started. Hi! Hello, you sexy people. So I'm getting her this mirror. Look at it, it's 15 dirhams. This is the only thing that I'm buying out of the wholesale. Then from here, Tia loved this toy here. It's just this one rail track. So that one is right here. It's for 79 dirhams. I got this one as well. From here, she liked the easel, but I didn't get that. I got, these are all the tables and chairs that's available here. I got this one. That is the one I got. Isn't that enough? I got that one. These sets, okay. I got these plates, also these glasses, and they were all just $7. It's just $7, so that's good. She would not break it. Okay, I see that this is 89. How come the bill shows 99? Let's go check it out. This is another shelf that I'm getting. So this is the Trofast one. This one with all of the storage boxes will come to 350 dirhams. So that's one I picked. Yeah, this is one shelf I got. This is pretty good. You can hang stuff. If you set up a mirror on top of this and put this at kids level, they can use it. Wow, before tax it's 707 and after tax it's 782. Sheesh. Apple Pay. The idea is to fix everything that we bought from IKEA, although we are not sure if we will be able to do it because none of us are handy. Tia is already busy trying to open it. What are you doing, Tia? Tia, do you have any idea what to do?
Yeah.
What is it?
You have to fix things. So you have to fix stairs so that I can sit. And I'm a big girl.
Do you? Yes, of course you're a big girl. So this is the first thing that we're going to be doing. And what is this?
Broken.
Yeah, no, it's not broken. What is this one?
It's a chair.
It is a chair. So let's see if we can fix the chair, and I'm going to show you this whole space that you see at the back is where we plan on fixing all of Tia's furniture, like her chair, her table, her shelf, her tent, reading space, and all of that. Hopefully it will work out. Oh God, this must be really heavy for both of you.
I don't know. Look, I have some strength.
Oh my goodness! Yes. Yeah. Did you even eat anything? Oh, your chair is ready! Woo! Go sit, let me see. How is it? Yes? You don't care. Don't touch it.
Hey guys. Balloons. Enjoy my balloons. Hot my balloons. Dry my balloons.
Okay, I think we started at around 11 and it is 120. If you pay 275 dirhams to IKEA people, they will come and fix it. Yeah, so it's already been around 2 hours now, right? Do you think you should rather pay them and save the 2.5 hours, or do you think we should enjoy this process? I definitely think we should enjoy the process because this is fun. Look at how many people are together. Hey.
Give me food, Helen. Give me food.
So that's it. We're done with the table and the chair. Next, we are going to be fixing the shelf, but before that, we will take a break. Sit here. Yeah, wow, look at the view, Tiara.
Come out.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, my loser. What? Let's go again, Mom.
For me or you?
Whole thing
definitely took way more time than we anticipated, and trying to rotate them using our fingers was really straining my fingers as well. Instead of 1 hour or 2 hour, it took us like 5 hours and a lot of breaks and then some sleep in between as well. Okay, Dia. We're taking the measurements right now so that we could probably go to China Mall and then get a wallpaper that is cute and nice and simple. This is the mess in here that we want to try to hide. We bought all of our furniture and set it up in Feb. The walls were still not painted and it was such a mess. So we got painters to paint our entire house so that I can do the grand reveal to you guys.